Hi everyone. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, June the 27th, 2020. In this additional, the third puzzle is a 3 stars Sudoku. And before I start, I want to know how many digits are printed here in this puzzle. So let me count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and plus 2 is 25. So there are 25 digits printed in this puzzle. Previous one was 26, and the puzzle therefore the first one 27. So let's get started. Alright. We see here 1 in the last column, A1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column, so in the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the middle column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then how about the number, let me see the number. Alright, the 5 in this column, the 5 in the third column, so the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 5. Let me see with another number. I see in the first row 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. How about in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. Then A9 in this row, A9 in the row below, so in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes are left in the second column for the numbers 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6, we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 2, 3, 9. These 3 numbers are the numbers 3, 8, and 4. 3, 8, 4. I cannot fill this here. 3, 8, 4. 3, 8, 4. That means the other 2 numbers in this row are the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There are 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then we have a 2 in this row, a 2 in the third row, so only row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 2 here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 and 9. Wow. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 3 places for a 5 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 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 Yes. This column we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. Here also an 8. No 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers. No. 4 and 3. I need 2 numbers left now. 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9, I cannot do anything. 3 and a 9, need to wait. How about the middle row? 2 numbers left. These 2 for the numbers 4 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so these 2 boxes, the 3 and the 9, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then 1 number left in the second row for the number 3. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. 9 and 4. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 goes there and the 3 goes here. Then how about this number in the first column for the number 3, I believe. Yes, 3 is missing. Then 1 number left in the third row for the number 9. 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 now, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. 2 numbers left, 8 and the 4. Can I fill this yet? No. How about these 2 numbers in this row, the 8 and the 4? We have 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Faster than the previous one. So I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, or otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video. I will see you in a minute with the 4th Sudoku. That will be a Sudoku with 4 stars. So see you later and bye bye for now.